Welcome to DePIN Night. What draws me to DePIN is having like a tangible impact on the world. I even like referring to DePIN as human coordination networks because it really does extend that far. Of like all that DePIN is trying to do is coordinate humans to either take actions with their CPUs or physical actions in the world. One of the things that drew me to the DePIN space, even before we called it DePIN, was how do we take Web3 and decentralized principles and apply that beyond finance and take that into new industries, other trillion-dollar industries that really drive the physical world. If we can take these principles around openness and decentralization, we can create better products, we can create better systems, and that's what it's really all about.
I think this industry needs more examples of real utility, uniquely created by crypto, using the trustlessness and guarantees that only blockchain can provide. I think DePIN's up there with international global stablecoin payments and really just a handful of other things that does that.
Anytime we're able to see, innovation within the blockchain space that touches these real world types of use cases are always going to be fascinating. It's always cool to see, what the trailblazers at DePIN are doing and what they have to say.
You're able to empower the build out of decentralized physical infrastructure in a completely new way for capital formation using tokens and token economic incentives. I'm very bullish, and it's been exciting to be at an event like this where other people are as well.
DePIN's really cool because it's seeing crypto in the real world in action.